Hi Lama, so you wanted to see the Optima working, so I just took it off from the shelf. I removed this paper bale here to clean up a little bit more here, the tabs, just because since I'm doing this video, I thought, okay, let's work a little bit more on this one. So I'll try to show you this machine working, and since I don't have any high-tech video equipment, I will have to do it one-handed. But anyhow, so paper bale, feed up, really easy. The rubber on this typewriter is really nice, so paper is feeding, as you can see, really easy. And so let's try to type something. Oh, it doesn't have the ribbon here. You know why? Because we stored these machines without a ribbon, so we can, yeah, of course, not have them dry. So I pack every typewriter with a new ribbon. So just for you to show you a bit more about the workings of the machine. I'm trying to do this one-handed. Let's try. Sorry, I'm not a big typer, but anyhow, you can see everything works as they should. Here you can change the ribbon color, black, stencil, or red. So you can see in the red position, they move pretty up high where they should. And the stencil, it doesn't move at all. Of course, it's supposed to work like this. And here in the black position, it moves up to the black. Again, no ribbon here. Just let me know if you really want this one. I can show you other things, but I mean, this one is pretty clean and in working condition. So as I said, here in the back, I just removed the paper bale to clean it up a bit, but of course I'll put this back on because it's easier to clean this part without it. This is the tab setting, the tabulator. So that's it.